Thank you so much for playing that song all day. Anyway, Alexa's been playing that song on repeat all day, all throughout the house, so she's been just an angel for that. I thought she would say something like, you're welcome. It's now 8 o'clock, and I filmed a video this morning. Don't know when that will go up, but it was about me making breakfast, and I really failed at making breakfast and didn't do a lot, and I just microwaved something. So this time, no, I'm not gonna bake something from scratch. I'm just gonna put something in the stove. It sounded like that was scripted. That's how stupid that was. The oven. I'm just gonna put something in the oven. But it's actually kind of fun because it's Funfetti gluten-free baking mix. Do I wish I had an assistant here, aka my sister, or someone to entertain me while I do this? Yeah. Yeah, you could say that. This is a weird angle of my kitchen. It looks like I'm like, is that the shape of it? No, it looks like it's shaped like a U, but it's not. And this is not my kitchen, it's my mom's, but that's besides the point. Let's start off with preheating the oven and then putting all the ingredients from the box in the bowl. That's pretty much all of the directions, but we'll try to make it longer to torture you. Okay, this is the fun part. Oh wait, actually this isn't the fun part. Let's put all the stuff into a bowl first. Look how prepared I came. I worked out today, and by worked out I mean I just did the stretches that my physical therapist told me to do. What if this was a directions? Cut the bag, open, step 1. Step 2, wow, there's barely any sprinkles in this thing. There's barely any fun in this Funfetti bag. It's just an Eddie bag. Unfortunate. Look at this. Barely any sprinkles. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Oh, it's gluten-free, did I say that? Because I'm not always gluten-free, I should be, but when I don't do, wait, when I'm having like, what's the right word? Bake things like pastries. I think cakes fall under like pastries and stuff, right? If I have a thing that is not gluten-free in any of those items, for some reason my stomach's like, no, no, no. That's really gross. I'm sorry you had to see that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Caught this egg on the other hand. Anyway, 3 eggs. You don't need me to tell you the directions because it's on every single box they've ever made, but whatever. Somehow I still do it wrong sometimes. Like, cause sometimes it's like you had to put something in a certain order and mix it a certain way, but I never do that because it just seems harder. Oh, we need something else, oil. Look at this right here. Oh, if I eat something that's like a cake or cupcake that's not gluten-free, I feel like I'm gonna explode. But that's why I sound like I'm giving a presentation that I didn't practice. But like if I'm gonna have like crackers or something, I might have it gluten sometimes, and it's not smart, but I do it. But if I'm having like a full cake, there's no way I'm gonna like waste all that gluten on a piece of cake. Does that make sense? Because I only have so much gluten in a day to literally go around, and yes, that's sad, but that's exactly how I think about it. I'm like, no, I can't have it for breakfast because I want it for lunch. And then my stomach gets to a point where it's like, you can't have it at all, and then I have to go weeks without having it or I'm gonna explode. You probably didn't need to know that because it's like, that's literally the definition of being gluten-free, so you already get that. Okay, here's half cup of water that just spilled out. I need another cup, which I'm so glad I remembered, and I'm really, I don't think that was right. I don't think that was right. Look at this. And then don't worry, I'll get back to the working out thing. Look at this. It's just, oh, you can't even see it. It's just water. I don't even want to look at it. It looks disgusting. This is not what a cake is supposed to look like. That looks like I was out with my friends putting grass and dirt in a bowl to make potions to have my brother eat or drink. Oh my gosh, it smells fantastic. It smells like the fun is back in Funfetti. Oh, and my arm's gonna hurt even more. And don't say, why are you complaining? Because I'm gonna explain. But I just can't get there yet because apparently I start 3 stories at a time and it doesn't end well. This smells fantastic. It kind of like, I don't know what's so different besides the sprinkles for just vanilla cake and Funfetti, like, but for some reason they smell so different. And maybe that's stupid, like maybe there's an obvious difference besides the sprinkles, or maybe it has a different flavoring, I don't know, but they're pretty similar to me. I'm a cake smeller connoisseur. Man, I really wish I could have you-know-who play you-know-what right now. I haven't gone like 3 seconds without hearing it today. I almost feel sick. Oh wait, I was supposed to add this. So I thought I did it wrong, but it's stirring in pretty well, except it told me to add more water that I didn't even add yet, except until just now I added some more, but not even all of it, and now it's really liquidy, so I feel like that was stupid and I shouldn't have done that. but it's honestly looking way better. We have 1 minute on that timer. This was what I was saying was the fun part. When you get to pick what to put it in. So see, I'm not making a birthday cake. I'm not making cupcakes. I'm not making anything. I'm just making a fun old funfetti something. I don't care what it is. And so my mom has all these random pans and I can just pick one and use it. Isn't that so freeing? Like, I hate that we as a society think we just have to make cakes or cupcakes. Like when you go to birthday parties, imagine someone brought you a little loaf. Or like, we have these circle things. I always end up using that one. I want to try something different and I'm like, no, I'm just gonna use the loaf because it's just, or wait, the circle things? I use the loaf or the circle things because they're so fun. Or my mom has this really thin one that's cool, but that's just what you use to make a circle cake, so I feel like that one wouldn't be cool. I feel like the world is endless. Possibilities are endless. All I can think about is my physical therapy story that I didn't finish, but I don't want to talk about it right now. I'm just like so focused. I just feel like I hate when I watch videos and then they don't get back to the story and I'm like, oh, I don't want to watch anymore, just get to the story. So don't say that because I'm gonna get to it, but I just can't get to it right now because my head just can't do that. I shouldn't have brought it up unless I was, thanks. I shouldn't have brought it up unless I was gonna say it, I know, but let me get the pan. This is the fun one I was talking about, which I kind of wanted to find something else because like, have you ever seen something so cute? It's really so basic, but I think that could be fun. But sometimes they cook funny. I don't know what to do. There's like a lot of stress on me right now for no reason. You wanna know why there's a lot on my mind? It's my grandpa's birthday tomorrow and my family is there celebrating with him. I have a surgery, so I can't go. So I'm here taking care of the dog, whatever, and apparently baking. You didn't need to know the whole backstory, but so, well, you kind of did to know that, like, you know, I wanted to be there, whatever. So we had a Zoom call with all my family from all over the country, which was cool, because it wasn't just me that wasn't there. Not that that's cool, but like that they could all come in Zoom via whatever. But it wasn't actually Zoom, it was this website that I didn't know how to use. So I was stressing out I wouldn't be able to get on time or at all. So then I had that on my plate, on my shoulders, weighing me down. I should just put this in the oven. I'm not even cooking anymore. Before, after. Oh wait, let's do a transition on this. That'll be so fun. I'll probably forget. Before. This is awesome. After. I'll open this next time and it'll be a transition. Before. After. What if I can make it really short? Because it was gonna be long, but I'll just give it to you short. Okay. I hurt my neck and my back. They were really weak, so I went to physical therapy to strengthen them, and I couldn't use to hold a bowl like this, empty, or with a lot of stuff in it because I was really weak and was injured, but now I can, and this was like the first time I've been able to do it in like a year, so I felt really proud of myself, even though that sounds like a stupid thing. But yeah, I think that was the whole story. Maybe there was more. Oh, that I did my physical therapy stretches today, so I'm like sore, but apparently I'm still sore, but I'm also the Hulk because I can lift this. Like, that's how weak I was. I couldn't hold anything in my hand, not because really the weight of it, like even this would hurt, it was more the nerves and everything, you know, like connecting, so I couldn't hold a phone, I couldn't hold anything without pain. And I still can't on some days, but today I could, so I was proud of it. And that's my whole story. It was kind of sentimental and kind of deep, wasn't it? Okay, this is gonna die. I'll charge it and maybe we will do a fun transition. Okay, that was a lot of talking. Bye. Can't wait for the donut holes. Okay, so I didn't think things through because I'm not that smart. This is awkward. And I don't even like having my nails painted that much. I like them painted, but I hate doing them. And then when they chip and all of that, but I painted them this nice little blue. Can you even see? I don't care. And I did it while I was waiting for them to cook because I was like, wow, this will be a good idea. How am I gonna get them out of the oven when I'm home alone? How am I gonna frost them when I'm home alone? How is any of that gonna happen? I don't know. Why don't I just move this up? So yeah, I really didn't think this through. I think they've been done for like 5 minutes now, but I don't know, I don't know how to check them, and I don't know how to put, like if it was just the microwave, I could just grab it out with my hand, but I need to put an oven mitt on over my nails that are soaking wet, and the nail polish was all like whack, and now I can't even do my transition. Well, now I can do my transition, but it's not gonna be good. I can tell you that. Ugh, I'm so stressed. I've really been stressing about unnecessary things. Like, who cares? But also I care a little bit, you know? Is this done or what? No way. Ow. This can't be done, I don't think. Whatever. Can we just take them out? Who am I talking to? I just want to go like this and be the Hulk and take them out. What do I do? I'd be the person that like burns myself because I'm trying to mess around. I'm not trying to mess around, but it's just happening that way. Okay. I'm gonna burn myself. Boom. All you who said I never amount to anything, That hurt my side. Okay, wow, impressive. I wasn't gonna decorate them on video, but why not? More things to do, am I right? All right, see you then. Alexa, play. Hello. My nails are still not dry. I don't literally know what happened. I regret doing it. Yes, I know it was stupid, but look at what they look like. So cute, right? We're gonna decorate them, but first let's take a bite. Tastes like a muffin. It's good. Yum! Good job, Gracie! Okay, so it's 9:30 now, and you should just be happy. Hear me out. I'm not decorating them tonight. But I was gonna say, you should just be happy that I'm coming in here. I'm coming in here because I respect this that we have going on, to tell you that I'm not decorating them and that we'll do it tomorrow, because I don't want to decorate them right now. I already had 2 of them and I feel like kind of like sick, so looking at the frosting and doing all of that is just, and it'll be harder to save overnight once there's frosting on them, because right now they're just like cute little muffins. So I was gonna say we'll put them in a bag. I'll put them in a bag and tomorrow we'll decorate them if I feel like it. So I really don't know if this is the end or not. It will depend on if I'm bored or not tomorrow. My mom wants me to go to Target and get her a baby shower. Wait. She wants me to get her a gift for a baby shower, but it's a baby shower. A baby tub, I guess. It's like where you bathe a baby. How would I know what that is? I didn't know what that is the answer. So she sent me a picture and it looks like a strainer. Like this is what it looks like she wants me to get. Just put the baby in here. Maybe get an extra large though. Cause that's literally what the picture she sent looks like. And it's for a baby shower. I don't know when it is, cause she might make me go. Cause she was like, if you wanna get this, go ahead. I'm like, I don't wanna go get an overly large strainer for a baby. And she was like, oh, I need it for this party, blah, blah, blah. And so we'll see if I'm feeling that tomorrow, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not feeling it. I don't wanna go. Whenever I'm home alone, I could like go out anytime. I could go shopping, I could go do things, but I can never just be home alone. Besides me and this guy who's been staring at me straight for a few seconds, so I'm kind of nervous. I'd rather use the time to be home. So like, yeah, I could go to Target tomorrow, but then that'll take up half the time I could have been spending here at home that I normally couldn't be at home. Because my family is coming back tomorrow night. Because my surgery is in a day. So we'll see. I was gonna say we'll see how that goes, but that won't be for a few videos. Anyway, okay, bye. Thanks for watching. I hope we don't decorate them tomorrow. We'll see. Bye.
And I never had to decorate them. And I just painted my nails before doing this. And it's also blue, but it's way darker blue. Isn't that kind of funny? And I never went to Target to get the extra large baby strainer. That was funny. I'm watching this 5 months later and that was funny. Why does my hair always do this? Anyway, I'm just glad I didn't have to decorate them. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have to decorate them, but I'm also glad we didn't have to watch me decorate them, because that would have just been over the top. So I'm glad for both of us. Peace out. Thank you for everything. What movie do they do that in? They always go like, my stomach just grumbled. I hope you couldn't hear it. Okay.